The purpose of this video and future videos is to give you, the caster, information about the product you are working with. Aluminum is the most abundant metallic element in the Earth's crust, forming nearly 8% of it. Interesting point is aluminum is also one of the last metals to be cast, starting 150 years ago. You will never see aluminum. It reacts so quickly with the air that what you actually see is aluminum oxide. Pure aluminum is pretty weak, but with additions it becomes very strong. This is when it makes it an alloy. Aluminum alloy composition vary and are categorized by numbers and letters. The 100 series, the unalloyed aluminum, and then the 200 series is the aluminum and copper alloys, along with the 300 series, which is the aluminum, silicon, magnesium, and copper alloys. The 400 series consists of aluminum, silicon alloys. The 500 series is the aluminum, magnesium alloy. The 600 series is currently not in use. The 700 series is the aluminum, zinc alloys, with the 800 series being the aluminum tin alloys. At the current time, the 900 series is not in use. At BPI, we pour A356 strontium modified aluminum. The A stands for an alloy created from raw materials, not produced from recycled materials. These alloys have less impurities in them and yield better characteristics. The 356 alloy contains silicon at 6.5 to 7.5%, copper at 0.20%, and magnesium at 0.25 to 0.45%. Why silicon, copper, and magnesium? Before going over that, let's go over some engineering terms. Tensile strength, yield tensile strength, and ultimate tensile strength. Tensile strength is the ability of the casting to resist being pulled apart, while yield tensile strength is the amount of force to permanently deform the casting up to 0.2%. The ultimate tensile strength is the amount of force to make the casting break. Elongation is how much the casting deflects before it is permanently deformed. Silicon improves the fluidity of the metal, making it flow easier into the mold. It also helps the casting resist hot tearing, which is cracks you see in the casting when you open the mold. Silicon helps feeding the casting when it changes phases from liquid that we pour into the mold to a solid casting we take out. This is called solidification, and we will cover that in one video by itself. Copper. Copper improves tensile strength and also improves the resistance of the casting to corrosion. Magnesium improves tensile strength and corrosion resistance of the castings. Castings with little magnesium in them are a little brighter looking.